Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School Hiswa. My name is Asif, your mathematics teacher. So my dear students, I hope you will find and healthy, and please stay your home and study a lot. So dear friends, in this video lecture we will talk about how to solve the questions of test paper 7. This is class 6 chapter number 7, decimals. So friends, and this is the last session of chapter 7. Okay friends, so please be alert, and this test paper 7 is testing your memory, or all the questions will be appear over here and connecting all the previous questions and the concept. So we have written here the question number 1, and group A says convert 5 by 8 into a decimal fractions. First, the word is decimal fraction. What do you mean by, friends, decimal fraction? So please recollect the points. Fraction having denominators like 10, 100, 1000, etc. are called decimal fraction. That means we have to convert this number into decimal form like 3.2. This is also the form of 3 by, look at the friends, 3 by 10. So this is the decimal fraction, because the decimal fractions and denominator having 10, 100, like etc. Now see friends, see the question, come to the point. So here first write the question as it is. Now first change into improper fraction. So multiply 8 by 4. So 8 4 ja 32 plus 5 37. 37 divided by 8 friends. Okay. Now divide this 37 by 8 as. So this is 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 8 3 ja 24, 8 4 ja 32, and 8 5 ja 40, 8 4 ja 32 friends. So this is 5 after subtracting. Okay, now here the point 0. Now how many times? 8 1 ja 8 5 ja 40, 8 6 ja 48, 8 7 ja 8 6 ja 48. Okay friends, now here the 2 is balance. Now 1 second 0. Then read the table. 8 1 ja 8 5 ja 8 2 ja friends 8 2 ja 16. This is 4 and 0, and then 8 5 ja 40. So friends, this is your answer, and we can write here 4.625. This is your final answer. And see friends, and I have already discussed the decimal fraction means fractions having denominator 10, 100. Now this could be written in friends either, if you remove this point 1 2 3, this is as it is 3 times 0 with 1. So look at the friend, this is decimal fraction, or decimal fraction can be in the face as 4 point something, 3 point something, 4 point, etc. Okay, now see the next question. Now see friend, question number 7 says what is to be added to 63.5 to get 71. Very simple friends. If we change the question as what is to be added to 10 instead of 63.5 to get 15 friends. अगर मैं 63.5 की जगह अगर 10 ले लूँ और 71 की जगह 15 ले लूँ, तो ये क्वेश्चन बहुत इजी हो जाएगा. वैसे इजी क्वेश्चन तो है ही है, और आप लोग आसानी से इसका रिप्लाई दे सकेंगे. वेरी सिंपल. So friends, do not remember the questions that how to solve it. Always please take care about the concept. Please catch the concept and apply the concept according to the questions and situations, all this. Okay, now see 7, what is to be added to. क्वेश्चन कह रहा है कि इसमें सपोज 10 में कितना ऐड किया जाए कि मुझे 15 मिल जाए. अब बताइए 10 में कितना ऐड करेंगे? 5. ये 5 कहाँ से आया? 5 मीन्स 15 माइनस 10 मैंने किया ना, 15 माइनस 10 करेंगे तभी 5 आएगा. ये एक्चुअली द कंसेप्ट ये है. सिमिलरली वी कैन सब्ट्रैक्ट 63.5 from 71. Okay friends, so this question is as subtract SUB sub TRACT, subtract 63.5 from friends from 71, and this type of question that you have already solved many times. Okay, same question hai. Okay, now see friends, solve the questions. What is to be added to it? Now means we have to subtract this. Now subtract from this is positive number, subtract because we have to subtract this number. This should be negative. From this means we have to place the first this and minus 63.5 friends. Friends, remember this is the decimal fractions with one decimal places, and this is only whole number. Here is also whole number friends and the decimal part. There are two parts like whole numbers and decimal parts, but there is only one part like the decimal, and we have to subtract. So please make this 71 as a whole number part and decimal part as well. So this could be written as 71.0 minus 63.5, or either we can say we will make, or we have already made 71 as a decimal fraction with one decimal places. Means these two decimals 71.0 and 63.5 are like decimals. And remember friends, I have already discussed many times, in order to subtract two decimals, first of all see are they like decimals or not. If they are not like decimals, so please to make the like decimal then subtract. So I have already made 71 as a like decimals. Okay, 71 point, okay, because after decimal one digit, after decimal one digit. Now then we can subtract friends 71.0, and point should be straight. Here is the 5 because this is decimal part, 3 is here and 6 is here. Now subtract friend. 10 minus 5, this is 5 decimal, this is 0 became 0, so we will take the 0 borrow from 7 and get this, will get 6, and this is 10. 10 minus 3, this is 7, and 6, this is 0, so we can write hence this is your answer friend. 0.7 that means sorry 7.5 only answer. Okay friends, I hope you will get, you will grasp, you will understand. You can match the answer. Question number 7. Now I'm going to watch the answer. Yes, 7.5 correct. While you are solving the questions up, if you approach the destination, so please match the answer from your book. Now friends, see the next question. Now see friends, last question number C says in group C, fill in the blanks. And there are 5 sub questions. We have already written all the sub questions because some of the candidates get confused regarding this, how we can change meter to kilometer, meter to centimeter, centimeter to meter. There is a little bit confusion. Now see friends, 1 meter is equal to dash kilometer, means 1 meter is equal to what kilometer. 1 meter में कितना किलोमीटर होगा. This is just questions उल्टा है, because we know friends, we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, but ये question says 1 meter में कितना किलोमीटर. In 1 meter how many kilometers? 1 मीटर में कितना किलोमीटर हो सकता है. Okay, look at the friends, this is meter and this is kilometer, and we have to move from meter to kilometer. This is the smaller unit and this is the big unit, greater unit, and we will move from smaller to greater. If we will move from smaller to greater, then we have to divide by 1000, because we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Then we can divide. Here is the, look at the friends, 1 meter is equal to 1 divided by 1000 kilometer. Okay, now friends, write here is the 1 2 3 3 times 0 means we have to place the 3 digits 1 2 3 here. This is your answer, means kilometer friend. Hence we can place 0.001 answer. Why friends? Reason is here because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. This hence 1 meter is equal to, ये divide में आ जाएगा यहाँ पे 1 by 1000 kilometer. Okay, I hope you will understand. Now see friends, sub question second number says, friends, in order to solve these questions, we will make sure about the 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters, 1 liter is equal to how many milliliter, etc. Okay. Now see friends, second number says 10 milliliter is equal to dash liter. First, what is the to know the relation between meter and liter? Here is the small, here is the greater. We will move from smaller to greater, means divide. Now see friends, first we will know about the relation in between liter and milliliter. So 1 liter friends, 1000 milliliter. Remember, if you don't know such, then we cannot handle this question friends. So this is why this is very important. These are the tools to solve these questions. Okay. Now see 1 liter, we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. इसलिए therefore 1 ml is equal to, means this will go to division 1 by 1000 liter. Okay. So the answer says is 10 ml. If you multiply 10 ml means 1 by 1000 multiply by 10. This 0 will get cancelled friends. So 1 by 100 liter. Now friends, 1 by 100 liter is here. Write the numerator and count the number of zeros, 2 zeros. So we have to place the decimal after counting 2 digits from right hand side, 1 and 1, 2. Here 0.01, here the answer is 0.01. Similarly, we can go ahead friends. 16 kilometer and 5 gram, this is kg. So here is no problem at all because this is already in kg. Now we have to change this 5 gram. So means 1 kg, or either 1000 gram friends is equal to 1 kg. Okay, or either we can write the 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, both are the same. So now 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg friends, because the gram is very small and the kg is very big. So we will move from a smaller to, means we have to divide the 1000. Okay, now here is the 5 gram, then we multiply the 5 gram, means 5 multiply by 1 by 1000 kg friends. So write the up number and see the number of zeros. Here are the trash 0 means 3 times 1 2 3, here the decimal, this is your answer. So no, sorry sir, this is 5 kg. So 5 gram can be written as 0.005 kg. If you add this number to 16, we will get 16.005 friends, remember. Okay. Now similarly friends, 2 meter and 8 centimeter is equal to meter. We have to change into meter. So this is already meter, there is no change into m, and then we will change the here 8 centimeter. And no friends, relation between meter and centimeter, because so centimeter is equal to 1 meter, means 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So इसलिए 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. Then 8 meter, so multiply 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter is equal to 8 by 100 meter. Then write 8 and 2 times, count the 2 digits, this is 8. So 0.08 for 8 centimeter means 0.08, and this is meter, and this is already 2 meter. 2 meter plus 0.08 means 2.08 meter friends. This is your answer. Now see for 3.02, 5 number, 4.75, 1.63 are examples of what fraction friend? Dash fraction. Look at the friends, every decimal having number of same decimal places, 2 decimal places, 2 decimal places, 2 decimal places. So fractions the decimals having same number of decimal places are called like decimals friends. So here is the like. I hope you will grasp, you will understand. Now friends, your homework is to solve all the questions test paper, because there is no problem at all. These are very easy questions, and you have already conversant about all the questions, all the concept related to. And friends, this becomes the end of the lecture, as well ended chapter number 7. If you have any doubt or question, so please ask me, comment in the comment box below, write your name, roll number, class as well, okay, to solve all the questions. Okay friends, have a nice day.